Fatigue and irritation are common signs of burnout and are easy to spot. With the way things are and the pressures that we all have in our lives, it is not surprising that burnout is more widespread than you think. It affects many people all across the world and has no respect for age or gender. In this video, I will provide you with simple yet effective tricks to help you avoid burnout. Number 1. Find out the cause of your stress. The most obvious strategy to avoid burnout is to avoid stressful situations. To be clear, avoiding your stressors does not mean avoiding your responsibilities. Yes, you should try to avoid problems, but you should also try not to create problems for yourself. Burnout may strike without warning. Therefore, recognizing your stressor is critical to avoiding burnout. When you are feeling exhausted, take a moment to figure out what's giving you stress. Although it may appear simple, it may need considerable time spent developing self-awareness. You may pause and consider what actions or lifestyle patterns are causing you stress. Number 2. Complete the stress cycle. Stress occurs in a cycle. In their book Burnout, Dr. Emily Nagoski and her sister Emilia explain the stress cycle. The stress cycle is broken down as follows. First, there is a stressor, which your brain interprets as a threat. It could be a message or a situation. The stressor triggers a hormonal cascade of cortisol and adrenaline, causing you to go into fight, flight, or freeze mode. To counteract this, you do something like stress eat or watch a series on Netflix or Amazon Prime. When you are under a lot of stress, you will try everything to get rid of it. Burnout results from staying in this stage of the stress cycle. Find a way to finish the stress cycle to avoid or break free from burnout. Dr. Nagoski recommends exercising, breathing, connecting with people, being creative, and expressing emotions as techniques to break the stress cycle. Number 3. Sleep. A good night's sleep is critical for overcoming or avoiding burnout. A research published in the Journal of Occupational Health Psychology highlighted the value of a good night's sleep in avoiding burnout. However, when we are stressed, the first thing we give up is our sleep. We frequently regard sleep as if it were a petrol tank that needed to be refilled. However, sleep is not a fuel tank, and catching up on extra sleep will not compensate for the sleep you lost. So how exactly do you get a good night's sleep? Prioritize sleep hygiene by avoiding checking your phone for at least 30 minutes before bed. Your room is dark, quiet, and cold. Another technique is to mentally and physically prepare yourself for bedtime. Physical preparation may include not eating heavy meals before bedtime or taking supplements. My advice is to develop a schedule that works for you and allows you to sleep deeply. Number 4. Give to others. Giving to others is another strategy to avoid burnout. Giving to others releases oxytocin, which can help prevent burnout. Another thing that can help keep burnout at bay is movement, whether it's dancing or working out. Number 5. Give yourself worth. The final method for avoiding burnout is to practice self-love. Self-love can assist you in extending compassion to yourself and allowing yourself to take care of yourself at this time. Burnout happens whether you are in school or at your job, and it happens when you least expect it. Please take care of yourself if you are experiencing burnout. Take a break and seek assistance from others.